Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to forget a Bluetooth device on your Android phone. So if you want to bring your headset to another device, a lot easier. What we want to do is just swipe down from the top right, go to settings, scroll on down until we get to Bluetooth, so it could be under like network or internet or connected devices right here. Now go to your device, we can go to see all. Go to settings right next to it and go to forget. We want to go to forget device. Now this is going to be disconnected and you can see my headset is in the pairing mode, it's blinking. And we can bring this to a new phone now. So if you are having an issue with your headset that you're trying to connect, make sure you disconnect it and forget it from your old device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.